Imagine a single supercomputer powerful enough to fuel the next wave of AI innovation across an entire country. That's exactly what's happening in Taiwan right now. NVIDIA and Foxconn are joining forces to build what they're calling an AI factory supercomputer. And it's packing 10,000 of NVIDIA's cutting-edge Blackwell GPUs. This isn't just a vanity project. It's designed to supercharge research, power startups, and give industries in Taiwan the AI muscle they need to compete globally. Even TSMC, the world's biggest chipmaker, plans to tap into it to speed up their R&D. Before we dive deeper, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. This one's going to spark ideas. The Taiwanese government's National Science and Technology Council is backing the project too. Their vision: transform southern Taiwan into a fully AI-driven industrial ecosystem. Smart cities, smarter infrastructure, and AI tools in everyday life. Minister Wu Changwen put it bluntly: they want to create a smart AI island. Foxconn's role goes beyond just building the hardware. Through its big innovation company arm, it plans to use this system to optimize connected transportation, improve manufacturing, and advance electric vehicle technology. Think traffic systems that run themselves, safer cars, and factories that operate at near-zero downtime. And while NVIDIA is anchoring itself even deeper into Taiwan with a new headquarters, this move signals something bigger. The future of AI development won't be locked inside Silicon Valley labs. It's going global, and Taiwan is placing a huge bet on being a leader. If you want to see how this plays out, make sure to check the related video in the corner. And don't just watch the AI revolution happen, be part of it. Subscribe now, share this with someone who needs to know where tech is headed next, and I'll see you in the next one.